Hello jr4. Today we complete what we started last time about fraction. We learned more and more about fraction last time. We learned what's the meaning of fraction and how to write and read fraction and how to make simplifying and equivalent fraction. Today we will learn the kinds of fractions. We have of fractions. The first one is called proper fraction. The first one is proper fraction. What's the meaning of proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction where its denominator is less than its denominator. Numerator is less than its denominator. So, if we have a circle and we divide it into 8 parts, we each added 5 parts. So, I will write 5 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. Okay, and they can read it 5x. So proper fraction is a fraction, its denominator less than its denominator. Okay, it is the first kind. What about the second kind is improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction where its denominator is greater than or equal. It's greater than or equal to its denominator. So numerator is greater than or equal its denominator, like this fraction. We have in the denominator 7 and in the denominator 3. So numerator is greater than 3 its denominator, so it's improper. The third type of the fraction is called mixed number. Mixed number consists of two things: whole number and proper fraction. So the mixed number consists of whole number and proper fraction. A mixed number is a number consisting of a whole number and a proper fraction, like this: 1 and 3/5. 1 and 3/5. We have 1 is a whole number and 3/5 is the proper fraction. Why is the proper fraction? Because we say before the proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. So 3 is less than 5, so it's the proper fraction. So say again, mixed number is consisting of whole number and proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction. So I can read it 1 and 3/5. Let's learn how to be converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, the first example, we have a mixed number, 4 and half. 4 and half. How to make converting a mixed number to an improper fraction? We have 3 steps. The first step, we make the denominator multiplying by the whole number. And the second step, we will take the answer and be added to the numerator. Again, the first step, we will make the denominator times the whole number, and the answer will be added to the numerator. Let's see how to do it. So, 2 times 4 equal 8. I write 8 plus 1 in the numerator, 8 plus 1. And the denominator don't change. I will write the denominator, don't change it. Okay, so the answer will be 9/2. Let's take another example. 1 and 3/4. 1 3/4. The first step will make 4 times 1. And the answer will be added to 3. So I will write 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, and the denominator don't change. We write 4. So 4 plus 3 equals 7/4. Okay, let's learn about another thing. How to converting from an improper number, improper fraction to a mixed number. We'll learn how to make converting from an improper fraction to a mixed number. Let's see the steps. We have 12/7. How to make the converting? The first step, we must do long division. We learned it in the first term, how to make the divided for the long division. Here we will write 12 and we will write the divisor 7. 12 divided 7. So what is the number times 7? Give me 12 I can't find, so I will get number near to 12, so I will make 1. So 12 divided 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. So, how can I write the mixed number? The quotient will be right in a whole number. The quotient will be right in a whole number. And the denominator don't change. I will write the denominator 7. What about the remaining here? The remaining here 5. So the 5 will be right in the denominator. Again, the first step, we'll make the 12 divided 7. 12 divided 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 12 minus 7 equals 5. I can't complete the division because we have remaining 5 is less than 7. Okay. How to write a mixed number? The quotient will be the whole number. So I will write 1 in a whole number. And the denominator don't change. It's very easy. I will write the denominator, don't change, don't do anything in the denominator. What about the numerator? The remaining will be right in the numerator. How many remaining? 5. So I will write 5 in the numerator. Let's take another example. 37 over 6. So I will make long division. I will write 37 and will write 6 divided 6. 37 divided 6, I will search in the timetable 6. What's the number times 6? Get me 37 or number near from 37. So I will find 6 times 6 equals 36. So I will write here in the quotient 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. 37 minus 36 equals 1. Like what we do before, we write the quotient in the whole number and the denominator don't change, and the remaining will be right in the numerator. So we have 6 as a whole number and 6 as a denominator and 1 in the numerator.